Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen, and our today's topic is null-coalescing operators. Null-coalescing operators. So what is this? The null-coalescing operators in C# double question mark and double question mark equal to are shortcuts for if this is null, use something else instead. So you can see this double question mark, basically it return a fallback value. Example, result is equal to left and then double question mark right. So what is the meaning of this? If left is null, if left is not null, the expression returns left. So if it is not null, this left one, then the result will be whatever the value of left, right? And if left is null, so let's say it is null, it returns right instead. So the value of right will be assigned to result. Here we can see one example like a string name is equal to null. So the string, again we have one more variable display name, and here it is display name equal to name and double question mark guest, right? So here you can see like the value of name is null, so this is null. So the right side, that is the guest, will be assigned to this display name variable. So the value of display name is guest. And in the same way we have let's say nullable int and then input age equal to 18. So here the age, int age equal to input age and then double question mark 28, right? So here the value of input age is already 18. So left, that is this is input age, is not null. So the value of age will be input age. So here the result will be 18. Now we have one more operator, that is the null-coalescing assignment operator, and here it is double question mark equal to. Now what is the meaning of this? So left double question mark equal to right. It means if left is null, then assign right to left, otherwise nothing will happen. So here you can see one example, nullable int count is equal to null. So count double question mark equal to is 100, right? So count becomes 100 now because the value of count is null. So here using this null-coalescing assignment operators, the value of count will be 100. So here I have created one small program using null-coalescing and null-coalescing assignment operator. So same example that what we have in PPT here. So you can see string null, string name equal to null, and here string display name is equal to name, and then null-coalescing operator guest. So the output will be guest here and display name will be guest. But in case of, again same thing, input is equal to 18 and here the age becomes 80. And in the same way we have the null-coalescing operator also. So int, nullable int count equal to null, and then count and double question mark equal to 100. So count becomes 100. Let's run it and see the result. Yes, now you can see display name guest, age equal to 18 and count equal to 100. Yes, that's it for today. Let's meet on the next video.